To fix the Apple Pay option not showing, start by checking if your device is compatible with Apple Pay. Ensure you have an iPhone 6 or later, iPad Pro, iPad Air 2, or iPad Mini 3 or later, as these models support Apple Pay. Next, verify that your device is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, then General, and click on Software Update to check for any available updates. Now, check if Apple Pay is enabled on your device. Go to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay, and make sure the Apple Pay option is turned on. If you do not see the Wallet and Apple Pay option, go to the App Store and download the Wallet app. If you have already added a card to Apple Pay, try removing and re-adding it. To do this, go to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay. Select the card you want to remove, and click on Remove Card. Then, go back to Wallet and Apple Pay. Click on Add Card, and follow the prompts to add your card again. Another step is to check if your bank or card issuer supports Apple Pay. You can do this by visiting the Apple website and checking the list of participating banks and card issuers. If your bank or card issuer does not support Apple Pay, you will need to use a different payment method. Additionally, restart your device to ensure that any software issues are resolved. Press and hold the sleep-wake button until the slide to power off option appears. Then slide to power off and press and hold the sleep-wake button again until the Apple logo appears. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, consider resetting your device's settings to their default values. To do this, go to Settings, then General, and click on Reset, then select Reset All Settings. This will reset all of your device's settings, including those related to Apple Pay, which may help resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Apple Pay option not showing on your device and start using Apple Pay for your transactions.